The captain is staring into the rough night. Rain is hammering on the bridge windows, and he can barely see the foaming waves through the darkness. The vessel is moving heavily, and winds howling with overwhelming noise from every side. Suddenly, the sound of the weather drowns in multiple alarms. At the same time, the electricity falls out. The panels indicate no engine power, and fire in the engine room. Are there any casualties? Anybody injured? There is no time to lose. Was anyone in the engine room when the fire started? Is everybody accounted for? Apparently, the fire is spreading. This could end in disaster. The emergency response team is assembled as the minutes tick away. 3 crew members are reported missing. The situation is not under control, and time is critical. If he only knew where everybody was, he wouldn't have to send people into the dangerous areas for possibly no reason. If he only had a visual overview of the situation and knew where everybody was. The problem of having an incomplete overview in such a severe situation has a dramatic impact on safety and the potential for loss of lives. After years of intense research and testing, a totally new solution called ScanReach POV has been developed, providing new eyes into a vessel. By connecting to crew members, the captain can see on his screen if someone is not moving as expected or has pressed the personal distress button in case of an emergency. This allows the captain to act with confidence and determination, and within significantly reduced response time, send the rescue team to the designated area. Immediate counting on muster stations and complete control of personnel on board is obtained in the very same picture. He could even get assistance from shore because they can see what he sees. The solution is completely wireless and functions also during blackout conditions. It will be like going from total blind darkness and stepping into the light with a clear vision for any captain. Knowing where people are can save lives, the vessel, and prevent environmental disasters. This is what ScanReach is all about. This is what we do, and this is what we are bringing to the maritime industry. We provide instant personnel overview during emergencies. We call it onboard connected safety. Our goal is to increase safety for all seafarers in the world and to save lives. The problem with not knowing where people are on board a vessel is now solved.